Mababa yung... No! Mataas yan. Hindi pa alam ni Miguel kung paano kunin, pero mataas ang boses ni Miguel. Mataas ang boses ni Miguel kasi ang mga...
Alam mo, with my style.
Kasi ang style mo, alam, di ba binigyan?
Manifest.
Sa'yo, mga pop na mabibilis. O, yun ang, gagaya ng,
Scholars, wag makipaw. Wala. O wala pa.
mabibilis na song kailangan mo. Pero, natatakot ka naman sa
Sa?
pronunciation.
Oo.
Intonation. May nawawala ka.
Actually, kahit, di ba, if you look at it,
Kasi mga bagay sa song, Pretty woman, I'm gonna rock to me na. Ano pa? Mga mabibilis.
I'm gonna run to the midnight.
Choice of song.
I don't know that song.
Alin?
Alam mo, teka. Nakakatuwa lang. Ha? Oh, meron na. Thank you. Oh.
Meron na akong buddies! Meron na kami.
That's so funny.
Ano?
The Mr. C song. He chose for 4, di ba? Or 3. Did he choose for you also, Mr. C? Sino nagpili yung song mo? Sino nagbigay?
Mr. C.
Mr. C. So, ikaw, ako, si Miguel, si...
Lisel.
Lisel? Did he give Lisel? No. Lisel song came from Sketchy. From Mr. C, me, Miguel, and... I think, well, Arnie? Wait, Scholars. Isang CD player, ilagay sa...
Scala, ligay daw yung isang CD player sa storage room. Pero hindi natin alam kasi diba, tingnan mo nangyari kay Apple. Akala natin.
Apple. Apple also. Apple also Mr. C song. So there were 4 of us. You, me, Apple, Miguel. 3 of us. Didn't do so well. Actually, for Apple song, I was like, Sweet Love. When I first heard it, even from, because I remember when Chris sang it, I go, that's not a competition song. It's not so... Diba?
Pero wag ka nang kumanta ng Tagalog.
Muna.
Wag ka na muna.
No, I'll only sing Tagalog when I have a career na. Not competition.
Kasi, promise. Ako, ayoko rin kumanta ng Tagalog. Kasi wala sa Tagalog ang boses ko. Wala talaga.
No, tama. I mean, I can't do Tagalog songs for now.
Kasi ang boses ko, parang nasa black.
Oo.
Casey. On Saturday, 16, someone leaves. Therefore, making it top 8. And then someone gets pro bid. After that,
Top 7.
the coming week... Yeah, what's up? What? Already?
Sino?
How can you get it consecutively?
I don't know. According to my notes, I'm sexually passing.
That's a very nice way of putting it.
Wow.
Sexually passive. Yeah, and I'm sexually active.
According to my, I'm not actually.
That's sabi ni Miss
And
Doc
according to
Randy.
mine, I'm sexually active. But not it! Wait lang. Okay.
Ang nose daw, ito
Diba,
daw yung
16
sexuality
gonna go,
part.
Then top 8 officially.
Tapos ang forehead,
And then
diba?
someone gets probate, hopefully not me. And then, therefore making top